Assalamu alaikum students, this is me Mudassir Inam, lecturer Department of English, Federal Urdu University of Arts, Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. The course name is Expository Writing. Our third lecture is about paragraph. Students, these are the outline of today's lecture. We are going to discuss introduction to paragraph, why are paragraph important, parts of paragraph such as like topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. Types of paragraph such as like descriptive paragraph, narrative paragraph, expository paragraph, and persuasive paragraph. Students' paragraph can be defined that it is a group of sentences that talk about one main idea. It helps organize writing so that it is clear, logical, and easy to read. We can also define that a paragraph is a group of sentences that share a single main idea. It helps organize thoughts in writing, making it easier for the reader to understand. A well-structured paragraph ensures that ideas are presented clearly and logically. Now, students, why paragraphs are important? Paragraph is important because they make writing easy to read. They make writing more structured and readable. They help organize thoughts clearly. They help organize idea in a logical way. They connect ideas in a logical way. They allow the reader to follow the flow of thoughts easily. Dear students, it is also necessary to know about the structure of paragraph. There are three main parts of paragraph: topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. Topic sentence, which means where we are writing the main idea, the main concept, or the main themes. This is the first sentence of the paragraph. It may be consist one sentence, two sentence, or three sentence. It introduces the main idea of the paragraph. It should be clear and direct. Now, next is supporting sentences, which means in here we provide details and explanation. These sentences support the topic sentence. They provide example, explanation, or fact to strengthen the main idea. Now, after that, the last is concluding sentence, which means final thought. The last sentence of paragraph, it summarizes the main idea or give a conclusion. Means in here, the writer try to give the final thoughts that already he has mentioned in introductory part in the main body. Once again in here, he give the final thoughts. Dear students, it is also necessary to know different types of paragraph. There are different types of paragraph. It depends on the purposes of writing. So we are going to discuss some common types of paragraph such as like descriptive paragraph, narrative paragraph, expository paragraph, and persuasive paragraph. Students, descriptive paragraph is a type of paragraph where we describe something. We describe the object by looking the fact. We describe a picture on the basis of fact. Means, for example, if someone show us the picture of Minar-e Pakistan to describe it, we are looking to the picture and we are writing words appearing on this picture. If someone show us a marker to describe it, we are looking to the marker and we write all these things which appear on this marker. So For example, if we say that the beach was peaceful with golden sand, clear blue water, and a cool breeze. Now, students, narrative paragraph, we can define that it is a type of paragraph where we narrate the story, we tell a story, we describe events in order. Okay, for example, if we say that yesterday I woke up early, went for a walk, and enjoyed the sunrise. Now, in here, we tell a story, we describe a story in a sequences. Next example, if we say that last summer I went on a trip to the mountain, we hiked all day and enjoyed the fresh air and beautiful scenery. So, this is the example of narrative paragraph. Students, next is expository paragraph. Expository paragraph means which give information or explain something. It gives information on the basis of fact, on the basis of provided data, on the basis of providing different example. This type of paragraph mostly used in textbooks, essay, and reports. For example, if we say that the human heart pumps blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen to the cells. Now, this is the example of expository paragraph because the writer have write it on the basis of fact. Now, students, the last type of paragraph is persuasive paragraph. Persuasive paragraph, it is a type of paragraph where the writer try to convince the reader. He give arguments and reason to support an opinion. For example, if we say that everyone should recycle because it helps protect the environment. Now, this is the example of persuasive paragraph where the writer try to convince, try to persuade the reader. Now, these are the some common types of paragraph. Dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. If you have any question, so please write it in the comments box. Thank you.